So what's been happening?
Just learning to play guitar. Well, so I was looking for, I decided on a Ford Transit
And this was how many months ago?
last summer. And I kept bugging a dealer. And they finally said, we're just going to order you one. And I said, well, whatever, you know, I'm not paying a deposit or anything. I'm looking for a van that I can buy right now. They said, that's okay. We're going to order it. When it comes in, you can buy it. If you don't want to buy it, we'll just sell it. So, okay, I don't have anything to lose. So here it is, more than 6 months later, 6 to 8 months later. And there it is. It is a Transit 250 cargo, medium roof, with the non-EcoBoost engine in beautiful abyss gray.
Which is really what you wanted. There's the color.
Well, it keeps me from having to paint. I'm going to plaster dip my van, but so it's pretty much just like the Promaster with a few exceptions. So let me explain one. This is a rear-wheel drive van, so the motor's in the front, and there's an axle that goes down the center. So this is raised up higher than the Promaster, because the Promaster is front-wheel drive. There's no axle. So that means this medium roof is actually shorter than my Promaster. So see.
So if you add a
So if
little
I just add an
ceiling and
inch
or a little floor, you
plus
can't.
plus a little roof, I mean, like even the vent and the AC that hangs down, I'd hit my head in it.
And you're how tall?
5'7.3".
Yeah.
But it's cool. I mean, it's really cool.
Wow.
It's
I like the dark interior. So let's look.
it's abyss gray.
Okay. I see
So it's
how
a lot like the Transit.
Does it sit low? Oh, it has that new car smell. It sits a bit lower. I don't feel
Yeah.
as high up as I do in the Transit.
Yeah, it's all good. It's really, all this is the same. I mean, in the same location, the drink holders and stuff.
It's not as deep a storage here. Oh, there's
Yeah.
another one down below. Transit has a lot of storage, and this one apparently the walls aren't straight; they're angled. In the Transit, they're straight. Is that right?
I think I've heard someone say that, but they're both curved.
Okay.
So that's not really a big deal.
And the ceiling is curved on this one. Is it curved on the Transit, or is it straight across?
It's curved. Maybe not this much.
So the only place you could maybe stand up straight is in the center.
Yeah, you can, but
I can.
here's where I am, and this is without a ceiling.
That's 2-3 inches.
And that's in the center. That's the best case scenario. Over here, it's worse.
Touching your hair, yeah.
We're gonna have tubs here anyway. But anyway.
So you're selling this one?
I'm gonna sell this one. I already had a plan set up. I'm just gonna take it to a local dealer and that I know.
So you're flipping it?
I'm gonna flip it. I couldn't resist it the way the market is. Otherwise, I would just let it go.
This one doesn't have a pizza oven.
Oh, that's true. It doesn't have that big shelf space in here, does it?
I'm liking the Promaster more and more.
This must be the antenna. Yeah, I mean, I like this one. I could build this one. It's good.
If you'd been able to get this one 6 months ago,
I thought I would have taken it, but once I drove the Promaster, it became an option, and I like the decision, the Promaster.
all right. Oh, look at this little cup holder right here. Yeah, it does have some different. I like that here. So, you know, some people are Promaster people. Some
Okay, this
people...
one also I ordered with an extended fuel tank. I think it's 31 gallons instead of 20 something. So I got to pick, you know, a few things. I picked Abyss Gray, and I did not want the EcoBoost engine, so it has the regular PFDI engine. PDFI. It's pretty cool. It's good looking. It's going to make a good looking camper van for
somebody.